Acer's Swift 5 is ideal for an on-the-go lifestyle. It's so light you'll forget you're carrying it. This 15.6-inch laptop is packed with great features and weighs under 1 kilogram. The Swift 5 is made with lighter yet stronger materials, magnesium aluminum and magnesium lithium alloys. Micro-arc oxidation creates a durable finish. There's no need to worry that this lightweight device can't handle the challenges of daily life. Just slide it into your bag and go about your day. With the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display and a 5.87mm bezel, you get more screen space in a smaller chassis. Its screen-to-body ratio is 87.6%. That's right, 87.6. So it's great for watching movies and enjoying other content. Guess what? It also has a touchscreen, allowing you to multitask without missing a beat. You can easily interact with a whole range of apps. The Swift 5's 8th Gen Intel Core i7 processor helps apps load faster and allows multiple tasks to run simultaneously without lag. Next generation wireless technology is up to 5 times faster, so you won't be kept waiting and waiting and waiting when you move or upload files. Leave your battery charger at home, because this laptop will work up to 10 hours straight. Forget about the extra weight and wires in your bag. Maximize your capabilities and minimize your burden with this ultra-portable laptop. Travel lightly but fully equipped. Less weight on your body and less weight on your mind. Acer Swift 5.